Hello, my name is Victor Lucetto. I am the founder of Cypher House Productions. Basically, the backstory behind Cypher movement begins with me as a kid, that shy kid in class, being dyslexic, facing multiple challenges in my life. The thing that really helped me bring me out of my shell was a teacher. She put me in front of the stage and she challenged the way I thought. And to bring my grades up, I had to agree to be in one of her plays. And once we did that play, something went off in my brain. It was like somebody turned on the light switch and I was able to see clearer. I became more outgoing. I became all around a better person. So by the time I was in 6th grade, I was voted best all-around student. My grades were up. I was more outgoing. All it took was just one teacher telling me that I can do it, giving me positive reinforcement. So that's basically what we do. We go wherever we go throughout the United States, and we do the same principles that she taught us, to really think bigger, think more positive. And social interaction is huge, especially right now after COVID. Being cooped up for a year, these kids face lots of trauma that they internalize, but dancing and movement really helps them to release that. So that's what we try to do. That's our goal, is to try to create those epiphany moments in their lives and broaden their worldview and to make them the best person they can possibly be.
The most important thing that we do about teaching dance is to basically open the kids' mind to be able to be creative and just basically be able to bring them up to be leaders.
I think that's why programs like this are really needed, especially after COVID. They've been cooped up indoors all year.
It really helps them to come out of their shell. Like, some kids are really shy and there's some things they don't really like to do, but when something like dancing comes along, some kids can really shine, and it's amazing just to see them picking up the moves and doing the moves and learning the moves and wanting to do more and more, and I really like that.
So the way it works is really simple. We come in for a week or two, and by the end of that week or two, we do a culmination performance where the kids are able to express themselves and to be able to really showcase what they've learned throughout the weeks.
We also select leaders and we invite them to perform at the end of the program. We invite their families over for a big show, and that way they can be proud of their work and the hard work they've done throughout the program.
When they do that, it just brings that positive reinforcement back into their lives. It's a community event. They perform for their teachers, for their schoolmates, for their parents, and it just really causes a true movement. That's what caused me to break out of my shell, and we're just trying to give back and come full circle and to create those opportunities for others. This is the best possible job I could ever have. I don't even consider it a job. I consider it a privilege and an opportunity to work with these students all over the world and just instilling the same values that I grew up with and that launched me out into doing what I'm doing. So this is what it's all about.